Hello everyone. So in this video I will show you how to use another Citrix PowerShell command. This time it is Get-BrokerSession, and this is very useful to, of course, to get informations about the user sessions that are currently active on the VMs. There is also nice documentation from Citrix that you can find in this page. Where is it? But nevertheless, you have here the almost all the information you need, but Citrix unfortunately doesn't give you too many examples. So as we need to learn, we need more examples, and Citrix honestly doesn't show you too many examples. It gives you one example and that's it. But yeah, we need more than one example to learn, and this is something that I can show you. This is very useful. So let's start. So the basic command, it's get broker session. Normally this command will work even if you not type the admin address. So let's try it. Should work. Yeah, it works, but I'm using the admin address because I have multiple sites, and I just want to be able to switch between them. This is how you can do it. So if you use admin address, so for example, you saw that the first command without any admin address, if I execute this one, it will give me the same results. But if I change to the other DDC, because I have another site, a complete different site, we will have different information. But let's just filter this out a little bit so that we do not have to see so many informations. And also this video is also about filtering. So let's say we want to see DNS name, username, and session state. So this will give us the VM where all the users, so each user will be connected on one VM, and it will show you where they are connected. So let's execute this one. So I have user 02 and user 01. Each one is connected on a different machine. And if we switch to, so this is those are Windows 10 machines with single sessions, so each user has its own machine. If we switch to the other site, then we will see that I have the same users, but they are connected to, they're logged on the same machine. This is a multi-session OS. And if we, for example, if you also want to see that it's a multi-session, I mean, we can understand it from if there are multiple sessions, then of course it's a multi-session, but we can also check it out. So I don't really know the object for that, but we can we can find that out. And let's see. So session support. This is one, it's multi-session, and let's see if we can see. So this is an MCS. I just want to see if we see the operating system version. We should be able to see it. OS type. Okay, so if we add here OS type, then we will have a more clearer understanding of where our users are. Okay, so they are using Windows 2022 server, both of them. Okay, perfect. So this is how you can search for the users session and where they are logged in and what their session state is, active, inactive. Of course, you can do this with Director or Studio, but I'm showing you this because if you have big environments and you have to do automated tasks, then PowerShell script will always get you there faster than doing it through Studio or Director. So this is how it works. We just so this is normally a pipe, and then you write select object, and you can write anything you want from this column. Anything you want you can add, and you will get the information like this. You can also, if you want to use the information, for example, and you want to use it in an Excel, so you want to export it and then you want to import the information to an Excel file, then you can add delimiter. So I've selected this as a delimiter, and if we execute now the command like this, we will have this delimiter, and then you can import this into an Excel file, and you can just split the columns with this delimiter. So this is very useful to create reports if you need them. And of course, so this is the output directly in the PowerShell screen, and you can just create, if you want, if you can just throw this out into a text file, or for example, if you already have this delimitation, you can make it directly a CSV file. This would be easier for you to convert to an working Excel file. Okay. Another thing that you can do, for example, the same thing that you are doing with Director, you can search for a specific user and find more details about his session, and you can accomplish that with, again, get broker, the same command. Let's switch to one, the other did this C, and you need to use this search, this type of search where object, and you just need to mention that you are searching for the username, because this is the same, where is it, username. So you're again searching for that entry. Where is it? So brokering. Where is the username? I saw it a couple of seconds ago. Yeah, I no longer see it, but this is how you can search for a single user. And if you go and execute this one, then we will find the information only about one user. And if you want to, for example, if you want to see on which VM the user is connected, so that we do not need to know all the informations. Here we just want to see the machine name. Get back. Then you just select the object, expand the properties, and write machine name, and you will get that user 01 is connected to this machine. And of course, here again we can continue with not like this. Let's say machine name, DNS name, but we need to remove the expand property because this will not work like this. But let's see. Yeah, so this is the machine name. This is the DNS name of the machine. Let's see, do we have also IP address? I don't know, I didn't search for it. Yeah, we also have the IP address, and the list can continue. So again, you can create a report just for one specific user. And this is how you can work with this command, and yeah, it will be very helpful for you to get the informations that you need faster than you would do it with Director, at least when you need to have to create reports. So, and you have to create the reports, I don't know, monthly, weekly. You can use PowerShell better than Studio or Director. Okay, so this was it for today. Don't forget to also check out the Citrix documentation, but also here in the documentation you have the same entries like you saw them when I executed the Get-BrokerSession command. But nevertheless, you will have here a little bit more information about each command, but again, not too many examples. So yeah, it would be nice if we had examples, more examples. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of video and you want to see more.